All right, you guys, today is the day we are going to be tuning my 2018 Ford Raptor. We got the Cobb Accessport from Cobb, and we're also going to be working with Winfield from Goosetuned. From the research I've done, he is the absolute best tuner for the Ford Raptor, and so I wanted him to tune my truck. We're going to be tuning the truck and the transmission. But first off, before we install the tune, I wanted to get some footage inside the vehicle, kind of a point of view driving around, and just getting kind of a baseline of where it sits now. So let's get out to the truck and let's get some video. All right, we're here in the Raptor. It's been a couple days since I drove it, so we gotta let it warm up a little bit before we start to step on it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in sport mode. Usually in sport mode or manual is when the shifting is really bad. If you saw my last video, you saw a little bit more of that, but we're still gonna take it easy. The truck's still warming up. Alright, so initially I was wearing it on my head. That view is not working too well, so we're just gonna hold it. We're gonna see if we can get some 0 to 60 shots, and then we'll go back and we'll plug in the tune, see how it does. Alright, there's a little break in traffic, so we're gonna pull out and stop, and then we're gonna go. That was rough. My tires were spinning at first. If you can see that in the video, but every time it changes gears in sport mode, it's just so rough. It's not a smooth shift at all. So the TCM as part of the tune should fix that. Winfield from Goosetuned is going to help clean that up as well with his custom tune. So let's get back and let's get the tune installed, because I'm sick of this. Let's get this thing tuned. First thing we need to do is plug it into a battery charger. That way the battery doesn't possibly die while we're trying to tune it. It is freezing out here. Okay, we've got the Cobb Accessport and we've got the cord to plug it into the car. Winfield from Goosetuned emailed me some maps. We already got them loaded on to the Accessport from my computer. So now we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna get it installed and see if we can stay warm. So that's the OBD2 port right under here. And there we go. So when you're doing this, you first want to make sure you have all the lights off, you got the AC off, pretty much everything that's going to be running power. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit install. We are going to do the ECU and the transmission because we purchased both. So select that. Please confirm your vehicle, 2018 F-150 Raptor Super Crew. Yes. Okay, then you go ahead and select the map. This is the custom map from Goosetuned. It's got the other options on here, but we're just doing the custom 91 octane stage 1. So select that. Gives you a warning not to install this over any other Cobb or other tune. So we're not, so we're good. 10 amp car battery charger is recommended. Turn off the headlights. Climate controls, connect to battery charger, we're good. Hopefully. Okay, backup factory data. We are going to back up factory data just so that we have that available if we need it. So now it's going to sit and go through. It's going to back up the car and get ready to flash the computer. And we'll be back when it reaches 100. It's been less than 5 minutes, 76%. We're still currently backing up the factory data. It finished the backup. The backup took the longest. This is actually going pretty quick. Now it is flashing the vehicle. It's probably been 30 seconds since it started. Am I shaking? Because I'm freezing. I think it's like 22 degrees outside. Uh-oh. It's making lots of weird noises.
Everything's flashing.
The truck's alive. Installation successful. Please turn ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. Okay. USDM 2018-2010 F-150 Raptor. Okay, now we are going to do the TCM tune. So we got the Goosetuned TCM selected. We're gonna click that. Continue. Oh, we got backup factory data again of the trans. Everything on the car is freaking out. We're still in the middle of backing up the TCM data, the factory TCM data, and it is taking a lot longer than the ECU was taking. Just a little update here. It's probably been 10 minutes backing up the TCM data, and we are currently sitting at 72%. It got to like 80% and then just jumped to 100 and then got right into flashing the TCM. Oh, she's alive. All the lights are going off. Car's turning on. Please wait while the Accessport clears active. Installation successful. Please turn the key to the off position for at least 15 seconds. Well, that is the end of flashing the ECU and the TCM. Now we're going to go get it on the road. We're going to see how it drives, see how smooth the shifting is. We're also going to do some data logging to send to Winfield so that he can update our maps, send us some custom tunes. We'll keep tweaking them. We'll do more data logging, send it back to him, keep going until we're happy with how the tune turns out. Okay, we are taking the truck out for the first time with the Cobb tune and the Goosetuned. We tuned the ECU, the TCM, and we're going to see how this does. I'm excited. Got to put it in sport mode. You gotta be kidding me. That is so smooth. Wow. Well, so far that is smooth. Absolutely zero hard shifting. Haven't really put it down to feel the power, but I'm gonna turn this off. We got to do some data logging for Winfield to send his way. We are back at the house. We went and took the truck for a drive. Honestly, super impressed with the truck so far. The main thing I notice is, yes, there's more power, but I was mainly concerned about the shifting. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been running around with my dog outside. The shifting is super smooth. All the way through every gear, it's like butter. We kept the tune plugged in. We ran some data logs on the Accessport. So we did some polls at wide open throttle. We downloaded those. I sent them over to Winfield at Goosetuned, and he is now going to look those over, make some changes, send me some new maps. We're gonna download those maps on the Accessport, install them on the truck, do some new polls, send them back, do that a few times till the truck is dialed up and tuned in and running how we want it. And then that's it, and you just run it as long as you want. But really impressed with it. Loved the first drive. Sorry, I didn't get a lot of driving videos, but I'm gonna do more, and I'll do some more GoPro videos, some more 0 to 60 polls. We'll compare those to the stock and see how it does. So thanks for watching, and more videos coming soon.